Keeping your home clean in 2026 has never been easier thanks to smarter, more powerful robot vacuums and mops. From advanced AI navigation to hands-free self-cleaning systems, today's robots can handle dust, pet hair, and tough stains with almost no effort from you. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuum and mops of 2026 based on performance, features, reliability, and value for money. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large home, there's a smart cleaner here for you. Make sure to check the product links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. 5. Eufy Omni C20. Meet the Eufy Omni C20, the all-in-one robot vacuum and mop combo designed for truly hands-free cleaning. Its smart Omni Station automatically empties dust, washes and dries the mop with room temperature air, and features transparent water tanks so you can easily check water levels at a glance. Powered by Mop Master technology with 180 rotations per minute and 6N of pressure, the C20 tackles stubborn stains while vacuuming and mopping simultaneously through app control. With an impressive 7,000 pH suction, rolling brush, and side brush, it effortlessly picks up dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and debris on various floor types. The ultra-slim 3.35-inch design slides under beds and desks for deep cleaning in hard-to-reach areas, while the Pro Detangle comb actively removes tangled hair to reduce maintenance. Simple, powerful, and intelligent, the Omni C20 delivers efficient, low-effort cleaning for a smarter home. 4. Shark Matrix Plus experience next-level clean with this all-in-one robotic powerhouse that combines incredible suction and sonic mopping to tackle your entire home effortlessly. It vacuums carpets and floors, sonic mops hard surfaces at the same time, and even empties and charges itself, holding up to 30 days of debris in a bagless base. With Matrix Clean technology, it cleans in a precise grid for up to 30% better carpet cleaning, while Clean Edge Detect blasts debris from edges and corners for 50% better edge cleaning. The self-cleaning anti-hair wrap brush roll pulls up dirt and pet hair from all surfaces, making it perfect for homes with pets. Advanced 360-degree LiDAR mapping ensures smart, methodical cleaning day or night, while True HEPA filtration with an anti-allergen seal captures 99.97% of dust and allergens. From stuck-on stains scrubbed 100 times per minute to flawless room-by-room coverage, this robot delivers powerful hands-free cleaning like never before. 3. Mova P10 Pro Ultra experience a smarter, deeper clean with the P10 Pro Ultra robotic vacuum, powered by an impressive 13,000 pH suction that effortlessly removes dust, pet hair, cat litter, and crumbs from both hard floors and carpets. Its all-in-one docking station takes convenience to the next level with hot water mop self-cleaning at 149 Vevers, hot air drying for a fresh smell, and an auto-empty 3.2-liter dust bag that lasts up to 75 days, plus large water tanks covering up to 4,300 square feet of mopping. Dual side brush and mop extensions reach every corner and edge, while a 10.5mm auto-lifting mop keeps carpets dry. Advanced RGB smart dirt detection re-washes and remops tough messes automatically, and pet-friendly features like real-time video calls and fur boost mode make it perfect for pet homes. With app and voice control, precise 360-degree object avoidance for up to 70 items, detailed 3D mapping, and a long-lasting 200 mAh battery, delivering up to 2.5 hours of non-stop cleaning, the P10 Pro Ultra delivers powerful, intelligent, and truly hands-free home cleaning. 2. Roborock Q7 M5 Plus. Experience effortless, next-level home cleaning with this powerful Roborock robot vacuum, designed especially for busy homes and pet owners. Enjoy up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning thanks to the 2.7-liter sealed dust bag in the RockDock Plus, while 10,000 PA Hyperforce suction pulls stubborn pet hair, dirt, and debris from carpets, hard floors, and edges with ease. The dual anti-tangle design keeps brushes free from hair wrap, reducing maintenance and interruptions, while the vacuum and mop combo removes even the fine dust you barely notice with adjustable water flow for customized cleaning. Powered by PressaSense LiDAR navigation, it maps your home in real time for efficient room-by-room cleaning. Control everything through the Roborock app. Schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, start spot cleans, and track progress from anywhere, giving you a consistently clean home without lifting a finger. 1 iRobot Roomba 105 combo. Meet the Roomba 105 Combo Robot, the smarter, stronger way to keep your floors spotless with up to 75 days of hands-free cleaning. Powerful 70x suction tackles dirt, dust, and pet hair on every surface, while advanced Clearview LiDAR mapping ensures precise navigation and full home coverage. Vacuum, mop, or do both at once, with 2x deeper scrubbing and automatic carpet detection to keep rugs dry. The auto-empty dock traps 99% of allergens for mess-free disposal, and the easy-to-use Roomba Home app lets you customize, schedule, and control cleaning your way. So clean floors happen effortlessly every day. And that wraps up our top 5 best robot vacuums and mops for 2026. Whether you're looking for powerful suction, smart mapping, or an all-in-one vacuum and mop combo, there's something on this list for every home and budget. If you want to check the latest prices, deals, or full specs, you'll find product links in the description below. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.